So, let's break down some of life's hidden rules. Ready?
Think life's complicated? It's actually simple. We just tend to hate the easy answers.
Okay, first up is a real mind bender, the effort paradox, also known as the backwards law. You know how it is. The harder you chase sleep or happiness, the faster they seem to run. The key? Act without desperation. It's about being relaxed, not lazy. There's a huge difference. And here's another paradox for you. The more you try to control, the less you actually have. I mean, you can't control traffic, right? Or what other people think. It really comes down to two things: your actions and your reactions. That's it. Focus on mastering this inner world of yours. Speaking of your inner world, your brain runs a full-on cleaning crew while you sleep. No joke. It literally shrinks its cells to flush out toxins. Think of it like a power wash for your mind. And what about decisions? Well, the way your brain makes them is not what you'd expect. Turns out 90% of them are emotional. Your logical brain just justifies what your gut already chose. And get this, your memories aren't perfect recordings. They're more like stories you can actually edit. So, since you're the editor, why not emphasize the parts that make you stronger? This all leads us to the happiness trap. You can't catch it because it runs when chased. It's kind of like a cat, ignore it and it comes to you. It's a byproduct. So focus on what really matters: meaning, growth, contribution. Happiness will just show up. So how do we find what matters? Well, the 80-20 principle is a fantastic guide for that. 20% of your efforts get you 80% of your results. Just find that 20%. And for habits, you can't just delete them, you replace them. Upgrade the routine, that's the secret. And this is why it's so powerful. Just 1% better daily makes you over 37 times better. But watch out, it works both ways. 1% worse and you're nearly wiped out. So what's the ultimate cheat code that ties all of this together? Well, it's pretty simple. First, accept what you can't control. Second, master what you can. And third, compound those tiny wins. Because in the end, life isn't something you find. It's something you create every single day.